How to cut video in Instagram story. Hi guys, welcome back. In this video I'll be showing you how you can cut video in Instagram story. So in order to trim or cut video in Instagram story, all you have to do is just watch this video till the end. So whenever you're actually uploading a video onto your Instagram story, then go to your story first of all and select the longest video that you actually have. Let me go with this one. So once you locate the following video, then when you actually tap on your story, automatically it's going to be cut to short, that is, it's going to be trimmed and added one after the another in order to complete the video. So basically there's no way you can cut video into your Instagram application itself. However, if you wish to trim or add it in one shot, then you have to use a third-party application like a video editing application that is available in the App Store, and then you can edit the video, and that's basically how you can cut video into your Instagram story and later on upload it in one shot. So that's how you can cut video into your Instagram story. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.